Hello. This training is for anyone that's been stuck, not sure what to do next, how to go about this internet business. I'm going to show you inside the members area. There's no upsells. It took me 10 years of working online to figure this out, and the simple traffic blueprint was the start of everything starting to make sense, especially with the help of my mentor Philip. The sales page is not full of hype, but is genuine, helpful and doable. If you like what I show you, please hit like, subscribe and ring that bell for more updates and unmissable genuine opportunities to work from home. Simple Traffic Blueprint is suitable for those that have become addicted to chasing shiny objects. You know, the latest and greatest that the Warrior Forum, JV Zoo or ClickBank has to offer that tells you that you'll be having $100 days and $1,000 weeks before breakfast just by pushing a secret button. It's suitable for those that have been trying for a while but started off on the wrong foot. It's an opportunity to hit reset and start doing this internet marketing thing the right way. What we do is a refreshing change to this dubious way of marketing to the inexperienced. We intercept people before they waste yet more money and redirect them to this solid training which shows them how to build a solid online business with loyal followers that eventually become their joint venture partners. This is a great opportunity to expose the methods of those that have caused you to waste a lot of time and money on false dreams. Here we are at the Simple Traffic Blueprint, and this is Philip.
Hi guys, my name is Philip Borrowman and welcome to the Simple Traffic Blueprint. The purpose of this training is to show you a streamlined, bare bone and practical way for you to generate traffic, leads and sales to your affiliate offers, squeeze pages and blog posts via YouTube. No experience is needed here, and this training will guide you through the entire process. And don't worry about which niche to pick or what product to promote. This is all covered inside the training. If you get stuck, then reach out to me, as I love helping struggling entrepreneurs. And for God's sake, reach out. I don't bite. I actually want to help you. You are going to set up a free traffic source using YouTube and filter that traffic to your landing page. You collect their email and pass them on to an affiliate offer where you make a commission. You'll also follow up with additional automated email marketing where you will generate even more revenue. But don't worry, okay? I will give you a full overview of the strategy in the next video. It's simple.
So this is some of the videos that are in here. I think it says here, 4 steps, 31 lessons. It's a really in-depth course. It's all done step by step. You get an intro video here, overview of the strategy, frequently asked questions. You go through the essential tools that you need, and then we go down into choosing a niche, then getting your domain name, building a good looking website, setting up your YouTube channel, your email setup, building a website, all the finishing touches, conclusion and the milestone. Then we go through content creation, keyword research, creating the video. They're created in a particular way, uploading the video and designing your landing page, which is where you capture email addresses. And then you go into the conclusion, which is tidying up the loose ends, rinse and repeat. Do the same thing over and over again, helping people, because the more people you help get what they want, the more that you get what you want. Anyway, let's just go back to what I was saying a few moments ago. If you're a beginner, then this is your lucky day, as many get addicted to buying new shiny objects, and it can be difficult to break that habit. Unless you realise that the only sustainable way to build an online business that you can run from the comforts of your own home is to do the same as we do, and actually do the work, which you will see the results month after month and year after year. Unfortunately, the push button, just do these 3 steps type of misinformation has made your expectations unrealistic. But making a living online is possible if you go about it the right way. Using the Warrior Forum as an example, do you really think that if someone has the secret plan to instant riches, that they're going to sell it to you for $9.97? Even if you buy all the upsells and the OTOs, you'll struggle because there's always missing ingredients. The things that are missing are a good quality product, an evergreen product, and traffic. The traffic flow that you will develop is yours to keep and direct in any direction that you want. But I recommend that you only direct it towards good quality products because your list will stay with you then. You won't burn them out and won't be constantly having to try to replace them because they'll stay and they'll buy from you over and over again. As a result, you can earn more from a much smaller list and you get fewer unsubscribes. And you don't have to keep replacing them. The bonus that I mentioned at the start, well, that's me. You will have access to me on Skype whenever you get stuck, and I will do my very best to help you keep moving forward and avoiding the pitfalls. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and supporting you. And that's where you'll meet my mentor, Philip, and you'll get to know this easy to follow method. It's easy, but you've got to do the work. Nobody can do it for you, but if you do the work instead of just buying shiny objects, you should make very good progress.